What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Obviously, you can tell by the title, that this video is I'm going to be replacing my dash. Um, this side works, so I can at least sit where I'm at with my revs. But this side does not work. It hasn't worked since I bought the bike. Um, Whenever I first got the bike, I was kind of using my phone. I downloaded a speedometer app, and I just used that for a little bit while I was practicing and learning how to ride. And then by the time I got on the interstate, I kind of was wanting to use GPS on my phone, so I just based my speed off everybody else, but went faster. uh, so I'm finally getting that replaced. I went to Cycle Recycle to get the part. It's actually in my bag. I'll get that out in just a second. But yeah, so went to Cycle Recycle. If anyone's never heard of it, it's a building downtown Indy here, and it's just, as I guess it's like a junkyard for recycled bike parts. I mean, it has everything. I'll put a little video in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in there. I did a little recording while I was in there just to kind of see, and it was pretty wild. But this is what I got. Like I said, it is a recycled place, so just basically same thing, same year, just from a different bike. We do got some external damage, but my plan was to just try to take off the plastic here, and then I'll put mine on, so that way, it looks fine. But yeah, I just really need to get that fixed. My backwoods backpack, unrelated, but dope. I like it. I like riding with it. It's cool. So I was thinking, I don't think it should be too hard, but famous last words. Um, I know, I know it plugs in one plug, and that's right behind here. I think there's like a push pin, and it pulls out. Um, but to get this off, though, I think there's bolts behind it. And I'm guessing the only way to actually really be able to get behind that is to remove my screen, which shouldn't be too bad. I just gotta twist these off, and I think I'm good with that. I can get behind it, and we can start on it.
Way on it.
It snapped. Yeah, it was weird. I've never seen that before.
Right.
So I guess I'll start with these. I didn't really have any good tools to actually use for these, so you know, gotta use these bad boys right here. Not too bad though. It's just a little twist off. I just gotta be careful not to um, scratch my paint. Well, there's one. We'll fast forward a little bit through the rest. Alright, so we got all the bolts off. Now the screen should just remove nice and gently, just like so. Lay that down there. Damn, look at this naked thing. Shit. Alright, so here's the plug. What is that shot? There. Damn. Okay. And then this bolt and this bolt and that one. So there's three. Stupid. That's that size. Nice. That'll do. That was on barely at all. Oop. All right. Now I should be able to just pop this off like so. There it is. Bam. All right. So I need to just take this off. I guess the screws here so I can take it off. I hope this plastic comes off. That it does. Check this out. Crazy. I think it's wild. All right. This can be trash. I'm gonna put this in my backpack so it's not out in the sun getting hot. And now I'm gonna do the same with this one, and then I'll do a replacement, just like so. Almost done. Now let's swap. Nice. All right, let's put these screws back in. All right, it's back. Now I just gotta put it back to where it goes. Yep. And then again, these three prongs here, will just go right back to where they were. 1, 2, 3. And I'll put the bolts back on, put the screen back on, and we'll see how it is. All right, now let's tighten them. All right, plug it in. Put the wire cover back on. Nice. Now let's put the screen back on. All right. I think that's it. We've officially swapped out. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Damn, that's what's up. Can I finally trip this? Ah, damn. Okay, cool, cool. Well, guys, thanks for watching this video with me. That was actually pretty easy. Wasn't too bad. It was my first, I guess, how-to or whatever. I don't know if it was actually a how-to per se, but it was cool. I gotta give a shout out to my boy Jason. I was going to replace the dash anyways, but he suggested that I make a video out of it. He says he watches, a lot of bike videos, and he also likes to watch the ones where they're, repairing shit. So I was like, man, that's a good idea. So, I made this one. So I hope it turns out good. This was my first one. I hope it wasn't. I hope I wasn't like in a camera view or I hope you guys were actually able to see what I was doing and hope you could hear the audio. But, thank you guys. Remember, 2 down, 219. Peace.